guys, Freco here. Today is about the latest tech in my channel. That's the Lenovo Z6 Pro. It is the Lenovo's latest flagship phone with high specifications. It is launched on 23rd April and is on the market on 28th April. So I try to get one on hand so fast because we are in China. As you guys know, Lenovo headquartered in Beijing, China. So that's why we got it so fast. But this phone is a monster, guys. Before we unbox it, let me tell you why. It has the newest Snapdragon 855 octa-core chipset, and it has 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, and which goes up to 512 GB and 12 GB RAM. By the way, we have the black color and blue color, but for me, I just buy the black color here to show you guys today here in this video. We didn't buy the blue color, so we just show you the black color today. Okay, and so with this phone we have 27 watts wireless charging, but it should be a lot quicker than the current wireless power share that Huawei or Samsung endlessly doing. But you will keep a while around you. Nevertheless, that you have a quicker and pay 4,000 mAh battery. It is Lenovo's highest today on the flagship series phones, guys. This phone looks absolutely incredible with 5 cameras on the back. And we will see that while we unboxing it. Okay, let's unbox it right now. Okay, let's try to unbox this phone. Okay. Wow, so this is the front of the box. It shows Lenovo Z6 Pro, and this is the top. We have a Lenovo seal here, and this is the back. And this is the bottom. We have a sticker in the bottom. Okay, let's unbox it. Wow. Wow, the box design is just so cool. Wow, like a drawer. Okay, and here is the use manual. I think we got some use manual inside it. Okay, let's see what's inside it. Okay, this is the warranty card, star guide, and this is a screen protector, and this is a phone case. Okay, and here is the smartphone, Lenovo Z6 Pro. Here, okay, I think this is the USB cable. Yeah, it's a USB cable, and here I think it is the charger. Yes, this is the Lenovo fast charger. Okay, so that's accessories. And let's check the phone here. Okay, so I got the Lenovo Z6 Pro here on my hand, and we got the black color. Wow. Wow, really nice. So guys, this is the back and this is the front. Okay, I just peel off this. So I show you guys the back and front. Okay guys, so this is the back of the Lenovo Z6 Pro. This is the back and we got the black color and this is a red line here, which is here with the camera, a red line. Did you guys see it? Okay, I'll show you guys. And it has a Lenovo logo here. Wow, just cool. And this is the button. This button we have the charging port. It's a Type-C charging port in the bottom. And this is loudspeaker. And this is front. The front is 6.39 inch full screen with the front camera here. And the camera, I think this is a highlight of this Lenovo smartphones. It has 4 cameras in the back. First, this camera is the main camera, which is 48 megapixels. It's very, very clear for you guys to taking pictures. And the second camera is the ultra wide camera, and is 16 megapixels. And the third camera is the telescope camera, which is 8 megapixels. And the last camera in the back here is special designed for videos. When you guys recording some videos with these devices, this camera works. It's 2 megapixels. And this is the front camera. The front camera is 13 megapixels. It's very, very clear for you guys to take some selfies. Okay, let's come back to this smartphone and let's turn it on. Okay, we got Lenovo powered by Android in this start boot. Actually, I like the design of the Lenovo, especially for the back cameras. It makes better cameras, especially for those people who like to make videos or make some vlogs. It's fine. Okay, let's get started to set up this phone and show you guys some more functions here. Okay. Activation, we need to connect my Wi-Fi here. Okay, I will connect my Wi-Fi here. Okay, the Wi-Fi is connected, and let's activate this phone. Okay, skip. Okay, let's come back to the home menu. Okay, let's just swipe it up, and this just come back to the home menu. So this is the Lenovo Z6 Pro. Show you guys. Okay, let's check some specification of this Lenovo Z6 Pro. Wow, so many functions here. And let's just check the fingerprint. Okay, fingerprint here. Let's just test it. Fingerprint. It's the in-screen fingerprint. Add the fingerprint pattern. Let's set it. Set the fingerprint. Okay, the fingerprint is set up, and let's check the fingerprint. Okay. Wow, it's fast, right? Check again. With my thumb, works fast. Yes. And let's check some other fingers. No. No. Check this. Sorry. Wow. The in-glass fingerprint works fine. And let's check the Face ID. Face ID here at the face. Check. Okay. The Face ID is okay, and let's check it. Wow. The Face ID also works so fast. Wow, right? It's unlocked. Just swipe it, right? Ready? Wow. So I like the in-glass fingerprint, and the Face ID works very fast on this Lenovo Z6 Pro. I love it so much. Okay, then, and let's just check internet. Okay, I just input the www.youtube.com and let's check some videos on YouTube, okay?
So we just literally now got back from a 200-mile round trip to look at a 71 Duster. That wasn't a 71 Duster. But I'll tell you what, let me give you the backstory on this first. Cost. This is like her criteria. It's got to be that. All the requirements is that the car's got to have a straight body, and it's got to have decent paint, something she can do, because she doesn't want to deal with the cosmetics.
Check another video.
There are lots of things that can go wrong in a house. When the plumbing goes, you've got real trouble. Evil House is a licensed plumber in Phoenix with over 30 years.
Okay, so let's check the video. Video quality is very nice for this Lenovo Z6 Pro. And guys, this is the Lenovo Z6 Pro. And we can also check the camera here. Check camera. Wow, so clear. Just focus. Whoa, so fast when you're taking pictures. So this is a wide angle mode. And this is 1.6 times zoom. So at most we can have 8 times zoom. Wow, 8 times zoom. And this is the normal mode, and this is a wide angle mode. Okay, so this is a camera here. It's just not good to test on my office. We need to check it outside. That's better, I think. So guys, I like this Lenovo Z6 Pro very much. And this is the back. So guys, this is the Lenovo Z6 Pro here, and yes, here this is the Lenovo Z6 Pro, and this is the back. Actually, I like this Lenovo Z6 Pro, and I think the specification is similar like the Xiaomi Mi 9, and I think Xiaomi maybe get scared by this competitor, and many people I think they will choose this Lenovo Z6 Pro because the specifications, both of them use the Snapdragon 855. The screen is almost the same, 6.39 inch, and the camera. But the camera, I think Lenovo is much better than the Xiaomi Mi 9 because it has 4 cameras in the back and one camera in the front. So altogether they have 5 cameras altogether, and the back camera is 48 megapixels, which is very clear for you guys to taking pictures, taking photos outside. And the front camera is 30 megapixels, which is very clear for you guys to take any selfies with these devices. So I think this should be the milestone for Lenovo's smartphones, and this should be a very hot sale in the market in the future, I think. So if you guys like this video, or you have any question about this Lenovo Z6 Pro, just leave a comment down below our video, or send me any question on my Twitter. I will reply you guys questions about this, all about these devices. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please thumbs up our video, subscribe us, and wait for more tech videos from us. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.